Do you ever wonder what is causing that check engine light come on your car dash, but don't want to spend time and money going to a mechanic? Well, maybe a budget-friendly OBD scanner can help. Let me show you a few. If you've ever wondered what an OBD scanner actually does, think of it as a translator between your car's computer and you. These small plugs read the language inside your engine, battery, and other systems so you can find out why that warning light came on instead of guessing. There is a wide price range. Basic readers can be dirt cheap and handle code reading and clearing. Mid-range models add live data and smartphone apps, while pro-level units unlock deep diagnostics that most owners don't need. Knowing that scale helps you avoid overpaying for tools you won't use while still getting useful readings for everyday problems. In this video, we'll show you examples from each tier so you can see what matters in real-world repairs and maintenance. By the end, you'll know which type of scanner matches your budget and how you'll actually use it at home or in the shop. The Konnwei KW330 is the kind of scanner you reach for when you want fast answers without a big investment. It plugs in, reads and clears fault codes, and even gives you a reliable battery check, which is great for catching a dying battery before it strands you. What I like is the instant etc explanations built into the unit, so you don't need to hunt online for what that code means. It is compact, supports a dozen languages, and Konnwei keeps the software updated for life, so compatibility improves over time rather than getting obsolete. For everyday drivers who want to diagnose a check engine light or verify a battery health issue, this is a sensible, no-nonsense choice. If you're on a budget but still want real diagnostic value, the KW330 is a smart pick. The XTOOL AD20 Pro takes the scanner out of your toolbox and onto your phone using Bluetooth and cloud services so your diagnostics feel modern and mobile. It goes beyond simple code reading by connecting to multiple systems on the car and letting you view live data, trip logs, and even some maintenance resets through an app. That wireless setup is a real convenience if you like to move around the vehicle while watching sensor data or if you prefer a clean, app-driven interface. It is a solid middle ground for dyers and small shops who want more insight than a basic reader but don't need a full-blown shop scanner. With automatic VIN detection and broad vehicle coverage, it saves time and reduces guesswork during troubleshooting. If you like tech-forward tools and appreciate the flexibility of your phone as the display, the AD20 Pro is worth considering. The LAUNCH CRP123E is aimed at people who need more than code reading. It is designed to handle engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems with deeper tests and service functions. This is the scanner you buy when you want to do things like steering angle calibration, battery matching, DPF regeneration, or bleed brakes single-handedly. So it moves from a diagnostic reader into a maintenance assistant. It also gives clear live data graphs and can generate reports or send diagnostics over email, which helps if you're keeping records or consulting with a mechanic. Yes, it costs more, but that price gets you functions and control that save real time and shop bills when you need those services. For serious dyers, hobby mechanics, or small shops that want reliable, repeatable service routines, the CRP123E is a capable pro-level choice. If you only need occasional code checks, it is overkill, but for advanced troubleshooting and maintenance, it is hard to beat. We hope you found this OBD scanner shopping advice helpful. If you did, please give the video a quick like and subscribe for more.